Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds on this device. First of all, you need to locate Sound Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now select Allow in the pop-up. Following that, to start your recording, click on this blue button at the bottom. In order to pause it or unpause it, click on the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the left one. And in order to end it and save it, on the right one. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, click on it. In order to manage settings of it, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then you can, for example, trim it or set it as ringtone. You can also tap on Rename and type in wherever you wish to. Then save your name by clicking on OK. In order to delete it, you can tap on the same three dots and choose Delete at the top. But you can also go back, hold it over here, and tap on Rename or Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!